Hi guys, welcome to my first tutorial on Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can install or remove an application completely on your macOS without just clicking on the app and drag it to trash or bin. Just make sure to watch the full video. Let me show you the correct way without leaving any traces behind. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Go to Finder. Finder is where you can access all your files. All right, then select applications. Here, just search for the, go to the search bar, just go to the search bar there and search for the name of the application that you want to install. For me, Master for YouTube is the name of the application that I want to install. Then you make sure to select this Mac. Then you go to that plus icon there, select it. All right, so after you select it, just select the drop down arrow on name. Just make sure to select name again. This again, select the drop down arrow and select matches. After that, you search for the name of the application that you want to uninstall. All right, then you go to the plus sign there again, select it. All right, once you select it, this interface will pop up. Just select content, then you scroll down to system files. All right, select system files. In case you do not see system files on a PC, just select other, then you go and search for system files there, just like this. All right, just search for system files, then you make sure to enable that blue check mark, then go OK. Now if you go there again and content, now you will see system files. Just make sure to select it. All right, after you select it, guys, then scroll down here and included, click the drop down arrow, then you select are included. Now everything will be listed out here. Make sure to select everything that is related to the app that you want to install, then drag it to bin. All right, then you open bin again, then you make sure to empty this folder. All right, so yeah, so this is basically how to do it. So after installing the app that you want, so it is highly recommended for you to go to that Apple icon there, then click on it, then you restart your PC. All right, so yeah, let me give you one bonus tip, guys. After doing all this, go to Finder, then you click applications. So if you are on the older version, in case you search for the name of the application that you want to uninstall and you do not see it here, all you need to do is to click go at the top right there. All right, click go, then you go to computer. All right, select computer, guys, then search the name of the application that you want to install. All right, so once you see it, just tap on the plus icon, then continue. So this is basically how to do it. You can try it. If you have any difficulty or question about it, just feel free to let me know. All right, that is all about the video, guys. If you found it useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new updates. See you on my next video. Peace.